You're driving. Vroom, vroom. Keep driving. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, as you see, I'm still in workout mode. Help you? No, help me. You said the right thing. Mama is just responding. Yeah. Please, Mama. So, can you say good morning to the Faves? Say morning, Faves. No, Mama gonna make juice. Mama gonna make juice in here. Can you say morning, Faves? Yeah. Say morning, Faves. Look. Morning, Faves. Alright, good, Mama gonna make some juice. Okay? Hi guys, I'm still a bit tired from working out this morning. Babe and I really did a good session, and I'm about to use my juicer right here for the first time. So I'm going to make some green juice for Babe and I. It's a good moment to have some green juice just after workout, but I'm trying a juice that I've never had before, which I read about, and I heard that it's very healthy, which is made of celery, cucumber, and apple, ginger, and lemon. So that's a juice that I'm going to make for Babe and I right now. Okay. Alright. That's on. And now it's time to go. Okay, so that's the amount of juice that I got from all the things that I put in. I'm wondering if I should add something else to it, or that.
You should test it first.
Yeah. 1 glass for me and 1 glass for Babe. Let's see if I'm gonna add something to it. It looks yummy. Oh, delicious. Which one? What do you want? What do you want, guys? Which one? Surprisingly very good. Hello, taste it. Out there. Ty, come, let's go. Yeah. Yes, come. Jeez, I can't see. Hey guys, we're out and about. I can't believe people are on the beach. Yes, we're gonna get ice cream. Tell I've been asking for ice cream all week, so we decided to head out and go on a little ice cream date. And shoot, we left the watch on the receipt.
Now think about it, and I was starting to pack.
I was just about to tell you guys that Babe needs to adjust his watch that I got him for Christmas, and we're on the road without no watch.
Go on one day alone.
Yeah. So Babe gonna have to do it alone. Tyler is fascinated by the airplanes because of course we're just at the airport. You saw it? What's that? plane. So we're gonna take a bus and go in town and just get some adventure done. And there we missed the 52, but we'll take another. We're not in no rush, we're taking our jolly little time.
So we Tyler wanted the ice cream, so we just stopped and here we are.
He finally got his ice cream and he's a happy camper. He's so excited. What flavor did you get him? Vanilla and Nutella?
Mm-hmm. You taste it?
No, I haven't. Bird! And of course Tyler wanted it the real way. He wanted to come and sit by the beach and have it. He's been talking about it since days. So of course we're sitting by the beach. As you guys can see over there, the beach is just there.
It's good?
I threw something down and somebody got it. Tella is dying of laughing. Dying to catch him. Catch Tella this. Catch him laughing. Tella. No, sit and have your ice cream. Tell her no, sit. Wow! Plane!
You be a pilot.
Damn, his eyes running water.
I don't want to be a pilot of plane.
You guys, we're in town, in the center of town. Of course it's the weekend, so there's lots of activities, and I had to come and get my favorite. These are nuts covered in chocolate, like caramel chocolate, I guess. And we're getting churros. We're getting churros from here, same place we got this one. And then there was churros. I guess after workout this is what we do.
Yeah.
Who cares, y'all? Who cares? We work to eat. We work out to eat. That's why we work out so hard. No, babe?
Go to.
Hi, babes. We are back home and I'm in the kitchen making dinner. Well, I actually just finished making dinner. And dinner for tonight is light. I hate to cook on weekends, if you guys know me by now, especially Saturdays. So this is going to be dinner, wings and plantain. So dinner is going down. We had such a good day out today, especially Tyler. He really enjoyed his ice cream. You guys, the natural hair is back and I'm loving it. Nothing like my natural hair, y'all. Nothing at all. But sometimes your girl just need a little change. I'm gonna pass you.
Which color is Tyler?
Red.
Good, Tyler.
You passed me. Mama pass you! You tried to steal my car! No, you wicked! No! No! Why? You're a cheat. Why are you cheating? Ready? Oh, you cheat. You cheat. I'm leading. I'm leading. And you can't catch me. Night, night, faves. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Alright, night, night. Go.
À demain.
I love you. Guys, you can see that I'm tired, right?
And I'm not, because she was a wonderful wife and she let me nap when I needed it. So thank you, baby. I didn't tell you, but really thank you.
He was snoring within 2 seconds.
Yeah, because my nose is stuffy, so even if I'm not sleeping, I have to breathe
And he
through the
doesn't
nose
normally snore.
to breathe.
No, I don't think it's that. I just think you're extra tired, because I only snore when I'm tired. Very
When
tired.
I'm extremely tired, I snore.
Yes, you do. But funny enough, whenever baby's snoring and I touch him to get his attention, he stops snoring. And he doesn't snore again for the rest of the night. I don't know how that works. Anyway, you guys, Tala off to bed, and I'm just coming on to give you guys a Jamaican expression of the day. And the expression for today is, of course, we're still on the insulting word train. So the insulting word for today is sensefoul.
Sensefoul.
Yes, okay. So let me give you the rundown. A sensefoul is a chicken that have his feathers pitch patch over his body, and he's very slim. That chicken never get fat. Do you see which chicken I'm talking about?
Not really, but I don't know much about chicken. Sorry.
I'll show you a picture after, and then you'll understand.
Okay.
So the way Jamaicans will use the word sensefoul is to insult mainly females, really. So if a Jamaican say, move from here, so girl, your head picky and you look like a sensefoul.
Which Jamaican gonna tell you that?
Yes, which means your hair needs to be done. Your hair is all over the place, just like the chicken hair, feathers patch over the body. They tell you that your head look like the sensefoul and you're skinny like the sensefoul. Mean you're very meager, you're very slim.
Okay.
Like, go ahead, girl, you're picky and feel a sensefoul. Your head picky and feel a sensefoul.
Okay.
Say the word sensefoul.
Sensefoul.
Yes. Expression for today.
The French expression for today will be easy to remember.
Okay.
Vider son sac.
Vider son sac.
Yeah, what it means?
I'm not sure, something about bag.
Okay, vider son sac simply means to empty your bag. To
vide, to empty.
Vide
Okay.
means to empty. Vider son sac, to empty your bag. It doesn't mean to empty your bag. It means that to tell everything you have on your heart, everything you have on your mind, like you empty your bag. Your bag is what you have.
You have enough, so you just let it all out.
Right. So when someone like gonna tell you for 20, okay, like she's mad at you, wanna say okay, vide ton sac. It's like she's gonna tell you everything that she have, everything that she have on her heart, and she not want to tell, but you tell her to tell you everything. So vider son sac. That's the French expression.
Alright, you guys, there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes, make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below as usual, subscribe if you are new, and turn on your notification. And to all our new subscribers, thank you for subscribing and catching up and keeping up with the fam bam. We love every single 3,000 plus of you. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye guys.